What's up guys, it's Anthony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your air filter on I think it's like 2016 to 2018 Ford Explorer with the 3.5 EcoBoost. Pretty simple, but just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to do this. For anybody who wants to do it themselves and not pay at a dealership or something, really simple. This is probably one of the simplest ones you can do. So let's go ahead and get on into that. So first you want to go ahead and open your door, and then right down here there is your hood latch release. You just pull it like that, and then that will open the hood or release the hood. And then you just want to stick your hand in here and close and do this and lift up on the hood. And then once you have it up, the hood prop lays right here, and then you just stick it in there. And then here you can see we've got our old one out and our new one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that you just pop these little clips like that, and then let's see if I can do this one-handed. You just kind of lift up and pull back, and then sorry, this is kind of hard with one hand. Then you just want to get this opened up as far as you can. It's a little bit tight in here, as you can see. There's wiring and some other stuff right there in the way, but you just kind of finagle it up until you get it up here. And then you take and you grab this, pull it out, just like that. And then just repeat the process to go back together. So I'm gonna use two hands so that way I don't tear this one. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, so to put it back in, there's these little tabs over here that slide into this piece. You can see them kind of sticking out. So what you want to do is you want to lift up here, and then with the other hand you want to push down with this and just kind of all push this way together, and you'll eventually get it in there. It just takes a little bit of finagling. Sometimes it goes quick. Then you just want to pull your little retaining clips back up, which sometimes you need to use another hand, but that's the general gist of doing this. Come on. But there you guys have it, all done, replaced, and pretty simple. So if you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy DIY videos like this, as well as the Jeep build and other stuff like that. And thanks for watching. It's been Anthony. I'm gonna see you guys later.